What's up, guys? Welcome back to Hodge-Podge Garage. It's me, Yoshi.
It's me, Emily.
And today we are doing our part to help out our beaches because, tell you what, some people are just idiots and they like to trash, leave all kinds of junk on the beach. So we started the first annual
San Luis Pass restoration event.
And we are now headed out with trailer in tow back there. And we've got some hot dogs and a bunch of bottled water and beer. And we are going to meet up with somewhere around, I don't know, maybe 30, 40, who knows how many people are going to be out there. But we started the event and got a whole bunch of people coming out to help clean up the beach and clean up all that trash. So stay tuned. You'll see a lot of fun stuff, including picking up trash. You can fly the drone a little bit, maybe dip a line in the water. What do you think, babe?
For sure.
For sure. All right, check it out. All right, still doing our part here, and see, still got a lot of trash down on this end. Haven't made it quite that far, but we have made it that far, and I'll tell you what, just a couple hours of a bunch of people pitching in, making some headway and turning this beach back. Alright guys, what's up? It's Yoshi again, Hodge-Podge Garage. We're out here cleaning up the San Luis Pass, doing our part. Why'd you come out, man?
I came out to clean up the beach, man. I love this place, and I like to see it clean.
Oh yeah.
It's my favorite place in Galveston, to tell you the truth. I love San Luis Pass.
We definitely appreciate you coming out, throwing in a hand, and it's awesome. We got a nice turnout out here. Got plenty of people out just bagging up as much as we can. We're gonna load up the trailer and take it to the dump, so we'll see what happens next.
Yeah, thank you all.
Later. And you can see we've got the nice group out here. God, it's so awesome. All these people decided to come out, help out. Even some people that were just fishing and didn't even know about the event, put down their poles, picked up some trash bags and some gloves and just went to work. And this is amazing, and you can see the difference already. This has been cleaned up and now is such a world of difference. And it just makes me feel so good to know that we're just helping out the environment, getting some other like-minded people. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see what comes next. Well, this has been a very successful event, and I don't know if you can tell, but this entire beach all the way up to the bridge, San Luis Pass, is now somewhat trash free. Can't really see it all piled up everywhere. However, we have a trailer full which will be taken to the dump. So it was awesome. Special thanks goes out to everybody that joined in. It was an amazing time, and yeah, I got to meet a bunch of new people. Emily and I are grateful that so many people showed up to help out and load all this up so we can get it off of our beaches. So thanks again, guys. Don't forget, make cool shit. Later.